Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we're going to be going over how to install WebStorm, and we're going to be covering the Flatpak release because we need to cover everybody. And if we just do the Ubuntu instructions or the snap instructions, which they also work, but some people can't run snaps, it'll be a lot more difficult. So we're going to cover the Flatpak instructions, and to install it, we're going to pull the tutorial over here really quick. And we're going to open up a terminal. So to install the WebStorm version of Flatpak, you really only need to copy these two commands. And if you need to know more about how it works, you can read the instructions here, but just go ahead and copy this one here, paste it here. Now this will subscribe you to FlatHub. Now from here, you can copy the installation command and enter your password. Just allow it to install. It's going to download quite a few things. Shouldn't take too long, but once everything installs, and it does take quite a bit of time, as you can see there's lots of stuff to download, you can just go ahead and open up WebStorm like so, and it's going to take you through your user agreement and it will start up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how you set up WebStorm on Linux, and I will see you in the next video.